up guys, Yes here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with another TikTok viral recipe. This one I'm super excited about, you guys. It is jalapeno mozzarella tacos. I'm sure you guys have seen them on TikTok. They are kind of popular and they are also pretty easy to make. So we show you guys how to make them and then you're in for a little mukbang too. So if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so tell me what you're doing over here.
I stuffed these with mozzarella. I forgot what these are called, but we got jalapeno stuffed, and we're gonna throw on the grill, guys.
So the recipe actually is these, but Michael enhancing it. You guys already know it wouldn't be Michael if he's not enhancing it. So there we go. And now what are we gonna do?
Throw them on the pan. That's it. I would have barbecued them, but I just didn't really have the time today.
Okay, we're gonna add some onions.
So that's what's going down.
So let me show you guys a little hack. So your tortillas won't get super like hard and like crunchy and not cute. Wet them a little bit and then you go ahead and put them on the comal. So you can see they're all kind of wet. And it might stick a little bit, but it's okay. It'll be fine. Alright guys, so there goes the first chile. There we go. Okay, cheese come through. Alright, we got the little cebollitas on the side. Okay. Dang, we should start a taqueria. Alright, set it up. Some cilantro. Oh, he likes onion on his.
Lime.
I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the salsa.
Ooh, these are looking fire already. Let's do this.
Alrighty. That looks bomb.
Alright, y'all, so we also did yellow jalapenos. I'm not sure what they're called. What are you doing with your face?
That's me being excited that we're finally gonna eat. I don't know what they're called. Banana peppers?
Face. I feel like a lot of girls do weird faces. And that's cool.
I think so too.
Hey, and that's cool if you guys like to do that. But
I think so too, because it's gone viral on TikTok, and so I know I'm not the only one.
So let us know, or even show us your weird face.
Or do you make weird faces when like your significant other compliments you? Because like when he compliments me, I feel, I don't know, even though we've been together for so long, I'm still like.
It's weird. So us males,
do you do that?
Us males think it's weird.
Do you
but
do
either
that?
way, we did some yellow peppers as well.
We're gonna switch it up, enhance it. Y'all know Michael.
Y'all know how we do it. So let's do a little taco cheers. Calm down. It's not a race. Just chill it out. Mm. Mm. The jalapeno with your salsa. She made the salsa, by the way.
It was pretty fire, dude.
Yesenia got down with the salsa, by the way.
More.
You want more?
Yeah.
Here you
okay.
go.
I don't know if I didn't put enough.
Here you go, little mama. It's been a long time that I said that.
He's been saying that he's been trying to really slip that in like our daily life, and I'm like, please don't get me.
And what's wrong with it?
Because I don't like it. It's not cute.
Oh my god.
All right, let's see. Let me taste it with the salsa. I feel like it needs a little bit more cheese. Like I'm not tasting the cheese.
And we did little like onions and stuff.
Okay, I got the salsa. Maybe I could have used a double tortilla because I feel like I have a disproportionate amount of things in here.
No, it's perfect. I feel like all you're missing is a little onion on the side. Like you have to take a little. Yeah, you have to do that.
Mm. There's nothing like a little sweet onion.
Right?
Mhm.
So that one was really good.
Mhm.
Let me try the jalapeno one. I tried the yellow pepper one.
All right.
So now I'm gonna go with the jalapeno deal here.
We'll get yours too.
We can cheers. And I'm gonna take a bite of my onion first.
I think I might like this one better.
The yellow jalapeno was pretty good.
Mhm.
So guys, we might have enhanced it to a higher level, honestly. I like the yellow pepper better
Me too. Try it with yellow pepper. There you go. Yes.
Hey, original from us. So I don't think anybody's done that yet.
Let me trying to think of what else I can stuff.
By the way, my hair might be outrageous. You might not seen my hair this long, but I'm trying something out. If you guys haven't seen me.
I'll feel the other one better.
Mm.
It just has more of a taste to it. Hair diet, we're having water today.
Water.
Michael can't say the same.
Such a hater. What was that?
That was a move.
I'm not sure if I'm liking your guys' TikTok little like, how does it go? I'm gonna do it. Like, get out of here.
It's supposed to be like an ant and mosquito, I think.
But why? What is the purpose of that?
And this chilote is too big.
Chilote. I'm not saying anything anymore because I'm a grosero. Everybody says I'm a grosero.
They called you grosero?
I don't know. They do.
No, they didn't. You just been making shit up. Nobody called you grosero. I don't think anybody speaks like that over here.
Hey, you didn't cheers me, man.
Sorry.
So, we'll give you guys a rating as soon as we complete this. I'm sorry for the chomping, but just the way it goes when you eat tacos, you can get sloppy with it.
I think next time I would double line mine. I feel like there's a disproportionate amount of chile to cheese and also to tortilla.
And also, guys, we have big news for you guys. It's coming soon. We'll let you guys know. I'm gonna put a little bit of your amazing chile. Babe, you get better every time. Like, look, like, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. You guys can, it's a little blurry, but it's like
what else do I make that's really good?
And I like it thick like that.
What else do I make? Oh, aguachiles.
Her aguachiles have been getting better every time as
Things
well.
with chile seems to be a hitter for me.
Yeah.
So like that, I enjoy preparing. I enjoy making like aguachile, ceviche, like fresh marisco stuff. But like really like cooking stuff, like a caldo, no. I don't want to do that. I do not want to do that. Fried chicken, no.
I'll do it.
What else? Beef stew. I don't even think I've ate that before.
Lasagna?
Wait, what's a beef stew in Spanish?
Caldo de res.
Really?
I think so.
A stew is a caldo de res?
Well, it's not a stew, but it's a caldo de...
I don't like the word stew.
Soup.
I don't like the word stew. I don't like the word stew because I'm not used to it. We are like
stew?
caldo.
Stove? That's on...
That's a weird name.
What is it? Bridesmaids.
I love that movie. But like stew, I feel like that's... I don't know. I'm just not used to it. Do you have stew? What kind of stew do you have? Albóndigas, would that be stew?
That's a soup.
So what's the difference between a stew and a soup?
A stew, I feel like it's a little more thicker. It's not so watery.
Like tortilla soup? No,
so
that's
it's like
a soup.
It's more like a thicker like soup. I believe. Let me know if I'm wrong. I could be wrong. I'm wrong. Like.
Did your mom call anything stew?
No.
No?
We never use stew in my house.
Well, I feel like you guys have more like words that are a little bit more Americanized. So like we've talked about this before. If you guys have followed me, you guys already know I'm Mexican. Grew up around predominantly Mexican people. So like I would only hear about like stew and casserole, like all of that stuff only in the movies. Like I don't know, what else is casserole? Besides, like, your brother's casserole. Like, I know that. But, like, what is the translation of casserole to, like, Spanish stuff? You know? Or, like, stew to Spanish stuff. Please, let me know in the comments.
That might need to be another video. We don't know.
Oh, like,
what about this mullet right here?
He's trying to make mullets come in.
It's been here.
I'm here for it. I mean, I support him in whatever he wants to do because I love him.
That's so nice.
But it's a little long. It's a little, I don't know.
Well, mullets are, I'm not trying to make it too mullety, but I'm having fun with my life right now. I'm not caring what's going on. And I'm just going.
I'm just exploring.
So, my tacos were delicious. I'm going to start my rating right now. And my rating, because I cooked it, you know what, we didn't cook it the way we really wanted to, but we just put it together and we're like, you know what, let's just show them how you can do it fast, easy, and proper. For me, I really rate this an 8 out of 10 for me. It's pretty good, right?
Right.
If we could have hit the asada, we could have hit the barbecue grill, we could have done it all that way, but you know, I was like, let's turn on the camera, let's film this, and let me just get down in the kitchen real fast. She did as well. But I was just like, let's get down. So we did. And we honestly did this in about 15 minutes.
Yeah. What would have made it a 10 would have been the tortillas to be a little, like, oily.
A little more oily.
You know, the taco truck vibe, oily.
Street taco.
Air diet friendly.
These were air diet friendly.
Yeah, these were air diet.
But we wanted street
but
taco
we love the air
feel.
Diets. They're fabulous. And then also more cheese and double lime tortilla. I think that would have made it a 10. He was saying that he liked it, especially because he made it. I don't like stuff because I made it. Not because it's bad, but like I was just telling him, let me know if you guys can relate to this, okay? When I was younger in elementary school, at school they would make these like literally it was like bread and banana. And like when you would have it at school, it was a hitter. Like, it was like, I can't explain what it was giving. It was so delicious. So then I went to the store with my mom and I bought the exact same ingredients, like bananas and the exact same bread. Tell me why when I made it at home, it just didn't hit. It like didn't hit.
And
but
you had unlimited.
Yeah, unlimited. But I couldn't have messed it up because I helped the teacher because I was the helper. I helped make them. And they just didn't hit the same. Just like Cheetos, when you get them at home versus when you eat them at school and there's somebody else's, not the same. Can you guys let me know? Because Michael's like, well, you could just make that at home. Like, it doesn't matter. You could just make that at home. And I'm like, it literally doesn't taste as good when you're at
even
house.
like a mom's recipe, you know, she can teach you how to do it and you make it at home.
But that's even different because your mom, like there's, like when you have that like mano, like I can see where the exact same recipe might taste different. But like, how does the recipe of a bread and banana taste different? I don't know. Hot Cheetos. How do they taste better at school when there's somebody else's? Not when I took them to school, when somebody else brought them.
So guys, let us know if it's a mental thing or it's an actual reality thing.
Yeah, or like salads, there's no way. You make them at the house, the exact same thing does not hit the same. I don't know what it is. Let me know if it's just me or like, let me know. And then please say yes so that Michael can understand because he don't be getting it.
I feel like you can even also make the, what are they called? The maluta, the ones, they're like...
Muletas?
Is that, what, say it?
Muleta?
Yeah.
I don't think it's that.
You said it. I was about to mess up.
I think a muleta is when you like...
I was going to say molote. Shit, it was that close.
I don't know if molote is a bad word, but it just sounds like poop.
But that's what it is, right?
It is?
I believe so.
Wait, I've kind of, like I feel like it sounds
molote.
Like,
yeah, that's...
Like I feel like it sounds like like caca, but like in a different way.
Come on, thank God I ate already. Let's continue, bro.
But I don't feel like I actually know what that means. Like it just sounds like a nasty word. Like it sounds like shit.
Yeah.
Muletas. Yeah, I think it's muletas. Micaelas? No. Micaelo.
We were listening to Banda Machos, by the way.
We put it on.
I love Banda Machos.
And how it reminds me of like quinceañeras and like parties with the family.
Dude, my Spanish music is on here. Even though I don't really like You know, even though I'm, what do they call it?
No, I don't like saying. I don't like you saying that.
I'm a no sabo kid.
I don't
Even
like
though I'm a no
saying
sabo kid, I love my Spanish culture.
It was
swear.
one of you guys. One of y'all started that talking head. You called him a no sabo kid, and then he like internalized it. And I'm like, don't claim it. Don't say that you're a no sabo kid. You do saber.
I make fun of myself all day, and that's what joys my life. So, either way, guys, thank you guys, and we appreciate you guys' time.
He's trying to wrap it up.
It was very delicious.
Guys, so I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Please let us know down below what you guys want to watch. Oh fuck, I almost fell. I'm excited that we're back in the kitchen and cooking some stuff up, and we do have some really exciting, various exciting news, like projects coming up, which we're really excited to share. So don't forget, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will talk to you guys very, very soon. Oh my god, I forgot about that.